Hi Tea Party, welcome back to my channel. If you are not a part of the Tea Party, make sure that you subscribe down below. Before we get into the video, I did this makeup look basically on a random. I wanted to use the Colourpop Meant to Be eyeshadow palette. You guys can barely even see this palette, but I did a makeup look with it and I love the way that this look came out. If you would like to see how to get this makeup look, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and just keep on watching. So guys, let's get started. I already have my foundation on because I am filming a foundation review for the Covergirl Skin Milk Nourishing Foundation. I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Cream Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Camel Back. I'm going to be using the Meant to Be Colourpop eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to start with, I guess, this Demente. I don't think I'm saying that right, but this shade right here. And I'm going to use it in my upper crease area, and I want this eye look to be super intense. We're going to be building this sucker up. My minty fresh eye look from far away. So to blend that, I just use the Sigma E40 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop this shade on my lower lash line. I'm going to apply it down here and kind of blend it into the upper crease. And then we're gonna go in with Ice Cold, which is this shade right here. I'm going to use a Thrive Cosmetics eyeshadow crease brush, applying this to the outer corner. Oh, I thought it was gonna be darker than this. This is actually perfect. And just blend our hearts out till it looks exactly how we want it. I'm gonna bring it a touch, like kind of all the way in. I asked you guys over on Instagram, I'm just going back in with the previous shade just to kind of blend the edges. But I asked you guys over on Instagram if you wanted to see, so I bought a waxing kit thing that's supposed to be easy for you to do at home. And I don't know, I wanted to try it out. So I asked you guys if you wanted to see a video on it, like me testing it out. I got it off Amazon. So I want you guys to let me know too. So let me know down in the comments if you want to see that, because the video will be over here. So I guess I should have asked you guys first. But yeah, I'm just tired of paying to get waxed, and I'm tired of paying to get my nails done. So I'm starting with wax. I'm gonna start like trying to wax my underarms and my legs. And I'm gonna try not to give up because I feel like this is something that's it kind of hurts. Well, the underarms and the legs don't hurt. I'm gonna really try not to give up because I need to stop spending all this money to get my wax done when I can just do it myself. I know I could do it myself. So I'm gonna try to push through. So let me know if you guys want to see a video of that. So that's what I'm gonna start with, and then I'm gonna work my way to doing my own nails from home. So I've been giving my nails a break. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I took off my dip because it was just tearing up my nails. And contrary to popular opinion on websites and blogs and all that stuff, dip damages my nails the same amount as acrylic. Like, I kid you not, my nails looked exactly the same as when I used to get acrylic like 5-7 years ago. I think I was in high school back when I used to get acrylic, and maybe like early college. Yeah, that damages my nails the same amount. I don't know why people say that dip is safer. I don't know if it's like maybe the ingredients are safer in the product, but my nails still look like trash. But anyway, so I had to give my nails a break. Just going in with Ice Cold really close on my lower lash line. I'm basically mirroring everything on my upper eyelid on my lower eyelid. When I start back getting them, or even when I start back just wearing nails, because I actually just got some press-ons. Yeah, I'm gonna take you guys on that journey as well so you guys can see how that goes. If anything, I'm probably gonna give up on doing my nails myself because of the right left hand thing. I can do my left hand because I'm right-handed. When it comes to my right hand, I just can't do it. If I'm gonna give up on anything, it's probably gonna be the nail thing. Okay, now I'm going to cut the crease, I believe. I haven't cut the crease in a while, so let's do that. So I'm gonna use that same eyeshadow base that I used. The trick to cut creases is having a brush that is super stiff and small, like this. Super stiff and small, and holding your head back when you're cutting it, so it like flattens out your eye skin if you have like a hooded lid. Also, I'm making sure you have enough product on your brush as well, not too much and not too little, like when you're doing the cut part. And then just mirroring them. I honestly don't do cut creases that much. So time consuming. Okay, so now 5 hours later, I'm going to go in with the shade Play It Cool, and it's a shimmery shade, and I'm gonna use this mostly in the inner corner of the lid. And I'm using my favorite like cut crease brush, which is the MAC 242. Then we're gonna go in with Mint Tea. Oops. We're gonna go in with Mint Tea, more of like the teal minty fresh shade. And we're gonna do this like in the center, like towards the end. Well, that didn't make much of a difference, but it's slight. I am tapping off this eyeshadow literally everywhere, all over my disc. Shimmer particles everywhere. And all on my face. I should have done my face last. But you guys know I never do that, so I don't even know why I just said that. All right, guys, so you see like how it's jagged on the end? We're about to fix that. I'm going to go back in with the brush that we used in our outer corner before we cut the crease, and I'm going to mix Ice Cold and Chill Factor and apply that to this outer portion and blend it slightly on top. And then we're just going to kind of sweep those edges with the transition color. So for bronzer, I'm going to use the NYX matte bronzer in the shade Dark Tan. I already knew that shade name. I don't know why I had to look at it. So my lashes are drying a little bit so they can get tacky. I'm going to go in with the Play It Cool shade, the shade that we use on the inner corner of the lid, and I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight. Wrong brush. Okay, here we go. I just messed this side up. Now I gotta mess this side up. Lash number 1 did not work, so we're going to go with Can't Be Tamed from Velour lashes. Trying to get where you guys can see. Give me a little lash beard. Why is it already 1 o'clock and I have not eaten? If you have any quick lunch recipes that you guys like to cook for yourself that's kind of healthy or whatever, please let me know or send me some links or something, because I'm lost. I'm really trying to be my healthiest self, because what's happening is like after I eat, I'm sleepy because I'm eating like super, I guess like lethargic, heavy meals. So I'm tired of being sleepy after I eat. So let me know some healthy recipes if you have any. So now I am painting right above and kind of on top of the lash to hide the lash band, so it looks like it's literally seamless. Like look at that. This is after and this is before. After, before. Then you can see them like side by side. It just makes such a huge difference to me. Some situations more than others. Sometimes like the lash band will be like literally white just from whatever eyeshadow I used. But you gotta make sure that you make the line really close, like as close as possible to the lash. Okay, and then for mascara, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna go with something pretty neutral because my eyes are pretty intense. I don't know why I couldn't think of that word. I've been having a lot of brain farts lately. I'm going to use this shade right here. It's like a neutral soft pink, but you could definitely use like an orange blush. That would be really pretty with this eye look as well, if you guys decide to recreate it. Just applying this to the cheeks and a little bit like right underneath the eyes. Did y'all hear that truck? I know y'all heard that truck. Why do people put that stuff on their truck? I mean, it's honestly though, I say that, but it's really cool when you're in the truck, but not cool when the people are for the people outside. Okay guys, the highlight that I want to use was limited edition, so you can't get it anymore. Let me see if I can use something else. We're gonna use Covergirl. Since I'm reviewing a Covergirl foundation, let's just use Covergirl. So I'm gonna use the Super Stunner highlights in the shade Gilded Glory. Oh my god, I love my eye look. It's so darling. I have all these accents today, I feel like. Okay, so I asked you guys on Instagram to let me know what lip color I should use. I just got these two in the mail, like literally during this tutorial. The sets of the Stone Liquid Lipstick Lipstick in Truffle from Dose of Colors. So let's see what you guys said. Okay, it's 58% Truffle and 42% Stone. I'm sure a lot more of you guys are gonna vote. Hopefully it doesn't change later on in the day. It's only been up for an hour, so we're gonna do Truffle since that's what won. So this is what it looks like. It comes with the lipstick, which I think is the original formula, the liquid lipstick here, and then the gloss, and then the velvet mousse, which is the new formula, and then the lip pencil. So I'm going to try the new formula in the velvet mousse and not the matte liquid lipstick, just because I want to try it out, see how it is. This box or whatever is super nice. It's like it's not cardboard, it's pretty sturdy. Well, I mean, it is cardboard, but it has like a different, anyway, it's a box. You guys don't care. I don't know what's been going on with the weather. Literally, it was 70 degrees yesterday. Today is 48. Like, bonkers. I'm gonna line my lips with MAC Chestnut, and then I'm going to apply the Dose of Colors Truffle Velvet Mousse liquid lipstick. But first, let me sharpen my lip pencil. This is so random, but the Lancome pencil sharpener is literally the best pencil sharpener ever for lip pencils, eye pencils, just makeup pencils in general. This is the best because I have like cracked a lot of lip pencils over the years from like using just rinky-dink little pencil sharpeners, and it may not sound like much, but this is just the bomb. If you guys need a pencil sharpener, like lip pencil sharpener, eye pencil sharpener, anything dealing with your makeup that you need to sharpen, even some brow pencils, definitely recommend this. And then here we go with the lipstick. Oh, it's a different applicator. They changed the applicator too. It's like a concealer applicator. And then I'm going to use the Sigma Detail Lip Brush to blend in with the lip pencil. Love this look, came out so good, you guys. I'm glad I filmed it because I'm sure you guys would have been mad if you saw this look in my foundation review and I hadn't filmed it. Y'all would have been like, because I know I would have been. It came out so good. So this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely let me know down in the comments so that I know. And also thumbs up this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.